Hi guys, welcome to Great Lakes. I'm Rachel
I am Sanjay.
and today we are going to
Show you how our typical day looks like.
now come, let's have breakfast together.
Chalo.
Hi guys, so we are here to have our breakfast. I've taken some upma, a dosa and coconut chutney. And as you can see, he's already dived in without me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Rachel, it's already 8:30.
Oh,
Chalo. Guys, we are super late. Catch you after class.
Sorry guys, classes are for learning, not shooting. But here's how your classroom will look like.
And come along with me, I'll show you. These seats are gonna get you maximum class participation. And if you wanna use this time to do other assignments, then these could be your favorite seats.
We have 15 minutes to spare, so let's go for some quick coffee. Akka, one iced Americano. What do you wanna have?
And one egg puff.
What's up, guys? What's
Hi.
up?
Would you like some lime juice?
Oh yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I've ordered it.
Your lipstick is already on.
Yes, of course. We can't. So, fun fact: bistro is actually not bistro, but we call it bistro even though its name is Lavasa.
So Rachel, I'll go finish up that presentation I have to do in RC. Will you tag along?
Sure, I'll also browse some books.
Yeah, sure. So while we are on our way to RC, let's take a look at some of the departments we have. This is our admin department. We get most of the things done here, right Rachel?
Of course, and popularly known as our lost and found. So, anything you lose, you can find it here.
Of course. And also they help us facilitate all of the events and festivities that goes on throughout the year, right? How fun was it, the Ganesh Chaturthi, right?
Of course, we had so much fun. It was colorful and full of music and dust.
Exactly. So this, guys, is our amphitheater. Here, a lot of cultural activities happen, and also we have cricket screening and you have DJing, all of these here.
So this is our infamous Buddha statue. You will see all our pictures from here. This is where you will be when you will be here.
Rachel, wait, let me also be in the frame. Ta-da! Yes, now let's continue. So this is where a lot of our professors have their blocks. You can jump in, you can have a talk with them. Of course, for some professors, you'll have to take appointments, okay? Shall we try something today? Rachel, I have this in mind. What do you say?
What do you want to do?
I want to go now and actually knock on Raj sir's door. Raj sir is our program director, by the way. So why don't we see if he's in the...
Alright, let's go and see.
I'm so sorry guys, we don't have the chance to meet Raj sir today. ये देखो, पूरी time phone पे है. ना classes attend कर रही है, ना video shoot कर रही है.
Working.
Work नहीं, ये WhatsApp खुला है.
PGPM videos.
This is Latitude, our annual fest that happens in our college every year. And we have a lot of case competitions, business fest, and also cultural activities.
Now that we're heading to RC, let me also tell you the full form is Resource Center. Here we have lots of books, be it on like your non-fiction reading or fiction reading or something related to academy.
Now that we have fueled our brains,
Let's fuel ourselves with some lunch.
so this is Aloo Jeera and this is our food for the day. Lunch is happening right now.
For hydration,
Yes.
so I'm taking some salad, aloo palak, rajma, rice. We have some my favorite fries and the achar. You are are gonna do your assignment and all, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll have a lace.
Okay.
Akka, or lace packet. Yeah. Blue.
And one Limcots. Small one. I'll pay.
I'll pay. It's okay.
Okay, I'll pay. Yeah. This is something we always are bound to do.
Yes. Rachel is gonna pay for me today.
Only for the camera. Thank you.
Thank you,
Akka.
Akka.
You guys must be thinking, where did I go after lunch? Well, I went to shopping to Anupuram. This is where we usually go. I feel like playing some sports today, so let's go call our Sanjay.
Oh, Rachel's calling me again. Hey, Rachel. Yo, I was just winding up my assignment. Oh, you wanna play pickleball? Yeah. Okay then. Come on, let's go. I'll meet you in the court then. Yes. Bye bye. Let's go. Rachel can't play, guys.
Loser.
Play, yeah. Good game. What do we do?
Snack up?
Yes. Let's go to Snack Hub.
Let's go snack up.
Chalo.
Tushar, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Good. What are you guys doing? Say hi. We're shooting a day in the campus.
What will you have?
Do me a chili cheese toast.
Okay. And I'll have paneer cheese toast.
So these are the best things to have here at Snack Hub. So when you're here, you should try it too.
Payment done.
Done, Maya. And there's a holiday.
I don't know. It could be.
Even the markets are closed.
Yeah.
Or
Guys, what's up?
what are you guys having?
Chili cheese.
Oh, nice.
I told you, it's the best here.
Guys, this on the right side is our Cafe Ecstasy, and we get amazing fruit juice here. What else do we get here?
You will get the best Zinger burger here, chicken, which is amazing. Even their mac and cheese is nice. And hands down, nobody will debate me on this, that you get the best bread and omelette here.
And also cheese Maggie, guys.
Oh,
Maggie for the win.
how did I forget? So we have eaten a lot here. Shall we sit here?
Yeah.
What is that? That cyclone was coming. So you guys must be thinking, why are we sitting here like villas? But we're actually waiting for our Amazon package. Yes, we have to go till the main gate to collect our packages. So that's why we're waiting here. Coming, Anna.
Oh,
Let's go.
yes.
What did you order?
I ordered a t-shirt. You know, for the Scribble Day, the white t-shirt.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Shit, I forgot to do that.
Yeah, but you're getting one from college also, no?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That is also taken care of.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's so breezy. Nice.
And what's your scene afterwards?
Array, that presentation, I still have some things to finalize, dude.
Oh, then I think we'll just finish that up and sleep.
Yeah, but you know, no? Great Lakers never
Never
sleep.
sleep.
அண்ணா வணக்கம் எப்படி இருக்கண்ணா This is where you scan your attendance and then you go out.
And don't forget to show your ID.
Okay.
And Rachel also. Thank you. Other passes.
Arey, where are you coming? No. We are
We're
done
off
for
the
day.
clock. Bye.
Bye.